Good morning, students. As we were talking about a topic that is microorganisms and us. In this topic, we have completed friendly microorganisms. We have completed the topic friendly microorganisms. Now we are going to discuss next topic harmful microorganisms. And then this topic, as we all know, microorganisms are friendly for us and also harmful for us. So the microorganisms which cause diseases, okay, these microorganisms are called pathogens. Means what are pathogens? Pathogens are microorganisms which are harmful for us, which cause diseases. Okay, now disease causing microorganisms can come to our body to any mode, by breathing, by water which we drink, by taking by food which we take. As I have already told you, microorganisms are present everywhere in our surrounding. Even our table, chair, book, even on my pen. Okay, means everywhere, and even in our surrounding in air. As I have already told you that even I'm speaking, then I am opening my mouth, then definitely these are going in my mouth. Okay, but we have white blood cells, and we have some means immune system, means we have something. That's why we have good bacteria inside our body which fight against them. So uh, these bacteria cannot harm us in a particular duration. Okay, if they are very dangerous, like some microorganisms which cause harmful diseases, then they it can be dangerous. Now, as we are discussing disease causing microorganisms in humans, so as I have already told you, these microorganisms means disease causing microorganisms, and we can also say pathogens, can enter our body in any mode, like by air, water, food. So they can transmit diseases if they are carrying some disease causing bacteria, or they if they are disease causing microorganisms, they can enter to our body and they can cause disease to us. And there are some diseases, like if if a person is not healthy, if he or she is carrying a disease which can transfer by air, water, or by food, or by physical contact, like cough, cold, um, chicken pox, tuberculosis, such type of diseases which can cause which can transfer from from an infected person to a healthy person. These type of diseases are called communicable diseases, and which cannot transfer, these type of diseases called non-communicable diseases. So means there are some diseases, microbial diseases, that can spread from any infected person to a healthy person. Okay, these diseases are called communicable diseases, like cholera, common cold, chickenpox. Now, as you all know that when we sneeze, we should keep a hanky on our mouth, so that these bacteria or cannot transfer to any other place. Okay, that's why we always say that we should cover our mouth when we sneeze. So because these bacteria can microorganisms can go to any other person, as a sneezing means cough, cold, virus diseases, uh, that's why these viruses can transfer from one place to another, or even by air. So the we should means so we should cover our mouth when we sneeze, or whenever we have that type of diseases, we should stay away from this type of person. Okay, we should stay away from these type of person at that these conditions. Okay, and we should take care of them also. Now, as I have told you, these microorganisms are can be transferred from one place to another. So these the organisms or the insects or animals, or we can say there are some insects and animals which act as carrier of disease causing microbes, like housefly. They sit on disease causing things, like they sit anywhere in dirt, dust, means in waste also, dung, etc. So these insects and animals take these disease causing microbes with them, and can set to any of the place, like to our food also. If we kept open our food, if we forgot that open, then they can spoil our food also. That's why we should cover our food always. So means these insects and animals which act as carriers can take a disease causing microbes from one place to another. Okay, these insects and animals are called carriers. Like anopheles mosquito carry parasite of malaria, and as I have already told you, parasite of malaria is plasmodium. Okay, plasmodium causes malaria. So anopheles mosquito carry these plasmodium. Now, in the similar way, dengue virus is also uh, carried by Aedes mosquito. So we can say there are some insects and animals which act as carrier for carrying these type of diseases. Now, there is a table. You will read the table, and you can observe that there are many diseases which are caused by bacteria, viruses, means microorganisms, which are caused by microorganisms, and their here mode of transmission is also given, like air, water, food, etc., mosquitoes. So they you can see the table, you can read the table and observe how these pathogens affect us. Okay, and how the carriers carry these disease causing microorganisms. Okay, bacho. Now, one more thing, as I have told you about malaria. These malaria causing these dengue or malaria causing mosquitoes, carrying mosquitoes, which carry means these carriers grow or breed in water. So we should not let water collect anywhere in coolers, tires, flower pot, etc. Okay, and we should keep our surrounding clean and dry, so that we can prevent breeding of mosquitoes. Okay, so we should not we should take care of our we should take care of cleanliness around our inside our home and in the surrounding also. Okay, so this is our topic, and we'll discuss about disease causing microorganisms in plants and animals later. Okay, and what you should read the table. Okay,